Let's bring in Avijoy Burnett now. She's focused on dentists and the vaccine. Avijoy, many say that they feel like they're being left behind because they don't know when they'll be able to get the shot. Tell us about it.
Vic, those dentists, they have an online petition that is gaining traction. Keep in mind that they work with people who have their mouths open. That is an occupational hazard. For that very reason, they want to be able to get the vaccine.
We're right in the muck. We are right in your face when we're treating you.
Dr. Gary Bauman says he's been trying to figure out exactly when the dental community will get vaccinated for COVID-19, but he's gotten no specific answers. The nature of their jobs puts them at high risk for exposure.
As most people know, when we're treating patients, they can't wear masks, and we are literally 6 inches away from COVID. Possibly with asymptomatic patients every single time we see a patient.
The number of doses of the vaccine the state has right now is extremely limited. A spokesperson for the governor's office reiterated that the earliest vaccinations are for the frontline healthcare workers, nursing homes, and first responders, and that local health departments will be making arrangements for all licensed healthcare providers to be vaccinated this month. 65,000 people have been vaccinated for COVID-19 here in Maryland, and the fairgrounds in Baltimore County is one of those sites where you could show up to get your vaccine.
So what we wanted to do was to start to vaccinate our staff who are the testers, vaccinate the staff who are the vaccinators, and also start to vaccinate the EMS who are going out taking care of very sick people.
This online petition demanding immediate COVID-19 vaccination for dentists and dental staff here in Maryland now has more than 400 signatures.
There's a lot of frustration going on out there. We feel like we've been shunted aside, that we aren't considered frontline healthcare workers when we are.
The first doses were administered about 2 weeks ago here in Maryland. At this point, 65,000 people have been vaccinated. That is less than 1% of the total population. Live at 7, Avijoy Burnett for WJZ.